Welcome everyone to the Tiki Cafe. You good? And here at the Tiki Cafe, it's never too early or late to enjoy a refreshing breakfast-inspired cocktail. And not only are the drinks exquisite, but the service here is top-notch. I said, the service is top-notch. Ah, come on, what's going on? Honey, what are you doing? You're on. Come on.
Oh, I told you I have laundry to do before I can do anything else.
Honey.
You do realize that the house doesn't take care of itself? By the way, what happened to your underwear?
Hey, shh.
Seriously, this should be deemed a biohazard at this point. It
We're
literally
recording.
looks like you took a big shit.
Well, welcome back to the Tiki Cafe. Looks like our waitress is apparently on her lunch break and is just too busy to help her husband. So today's cocktail is the Espresso MarTIKI, and it comes recommended to us by Eric and Shelby over at Half Lit Cocktails, another great YouTube channel. Be sure to check it out if you can. They're doing some great things over there. In fact, I'm pretty sure Shelby doesn't mind helping Eric with their cocktail videos. Hey babe, maybe you should try to be a little bit more like Shelby.
What did you say?
Nothing. Joking. Joke. Love you. The Espresso MarTIKI comes from a recipe created by Martin Hudak at the Maybe Sammy cocktail bar in Sydney, Australia. In fact, when it comes to coffee cocktails, Hudak thinks Australia's favorite beverage, coffee, deserves options beyond the typical espresso martini. Only 5 ingredients are needed to make this coffee cocktail masterpiece, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. Alright, so thanks to Eric and Shelby over at Half Lit Cocktails for sending this beauty over. This is one great cocktail. So first thing we're going to do is grab our coupe glass, and we're going to start that thing chilling. I'm gonna drop a little ice cube in there and set that aside. Now this is the Espresso MarTIKI, which means, that's right, espresso. Now you can go out to the store and get those little pre-bottled espresso shots, but the actual recipe calls for fresh and hot, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so now we've got our hot and fresh espresso. So we're gonna measure out about 3/4 of an ounce on this. Perfect. And then grab your glass, pour it in. Now this actually was originally a Mr. Black cocktail. I don't have Mr. Black. I've been trying to get a hold of it. It is not available in my area, so we have been using Kimura. It's a little lower priced coffee liqueur, but we actually really like it. So 1/2 ounce of coffee liqueur. And this, again, being an Espresso MarTIKI, which is actually a variation on the Espresso Martini, rum is the base spirit. So I picked up some Captain Morgan pineapple rum here to go in, about 1.25 ounces. Pour that in. And then next up, 3/4 ounce of pineapple juice. And finally, orgeat. Again, it is a tiki drink, gotta have your orgeat. 1/2 ounce. All right, now grab your shaker, fill that guy with ice, and pour it in. Shake. That is nice and cold. Grab your coupe glass, take that ice out. And now we are going to double strain this into the glass. Oh yeah, that looks great. All right, and then the final touch on this beautiful tiki-inspired cocktail. Couple little coffee beans right on the top. That is an awesome drink. And now my favorite part, getting to taste this wonderful cocktail. This has got to be one of my favorite coffee cocktails that we've ever made before. The pineapple and the espresso and the kind of the coffee liqueur all come together really nicely, and they're very well balanced. All right, let's have one last sip of this guy. Oh shoot. Babe, you think you can drag yourself away from the laundry for a second? Grab me some club soda? Oh, just bought this shirt. Oh, thanks, hon. Yep. Yeah, should have saw that one coming. Jeez. Till next time, everyone. Keep your spirits high and cocktail glasses full, I guess. Oh, where's a towel when you need one? Babe, is there a towel or something?